Hi everyone, my name is Khalid, and in this informative tutorial, I want to share models of co-teaching and peer teaching with you. If you are in the area of teaching and learning, if you are an educator, then this tutorial is very useful for you. Please stay in this tutorial as you will gain knowledge on models of co-teaching and peer teaching. There are four models of co-teaching and peer teaching. So I will start with the number one model, which is one teaching and one observing. In this model, one teacher is directly instructing students while the other observes students for evidence of learning. Say, for example, if I am a teacher, I'm teaching my students and the co-teacher is observing whether they are making notes in the notebooks or in their journals. Number two model is one teaching, one assisting. In one teaching, one assisting model, one teacher is directly instructing students, while the other assists individual students as needed. So, if I am a teacher, I am teaching, and my co-teacher is assisting the lower ability students or the students who have got doubts in making the notes or solving the problems. Then model number three is parallel teaching. In parallel teaching, the class is divided into two groups, say for example, group A and group B, and each teacher teaches the same information at the same time. So I am a teacher, I am teaching one group of students, group A, and my co-teacher is teaching the group B, and we are teaching the same content, but to two different groups at the same time. Then station teaching is the fourth and last model. In this model, each teacher teaches a specific part of the content to different groups as they rotate between teachers. So, if there are three groups in class, group A, group B, group C, and two teachers in the class, so two teachers will rotate in these three groups, or it can be four groups, and the content will be same, but the teacher will change, the teacher will rotate in this. So the idea behind all these rotation models, all these teaching models is that the student should get the maximum knowledge from two teachers. The student should get the maximum skill development during the session, and the learning objective is achieved during the session. I hope you have understood the idea behind co-teaching and peer teaching and what are the benefits of co-teaching and peer teaching. So the main aim is that there should be maximum teaching and learning. There should be maximum inquiry-based learning. There should be maximum output from the students in terms of reading, writing, listening, speaking, so that it can lead to student-led teaching as well. If you need more explanation to these topics, then please do contact me on teachingandcoaching2020@gmail.com. I'm really thankful to you for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much.